Hi, hello everyone. Today we discuss about function. The concept of function is very important because of its close relation with the various phenomena of reality. The word function is derived from a Latin word meaning operations. So let A and B be two non-empty sets, then a rule F which associates each element of A with a unique element of B is called a mapping or function from A to B. If A is mapping from A to B, then we write F is such that A tends to B. F is such that A tends to B. So here A, all elements of A is called the domain, all elements of B is called the codomain. Fx equal to y, when the value of putting the value of x we get y. This is the image, and this is the value of x is called the p-image, and all the elements of y is called the range sets. Okay, now functions as a special kind of relations. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. A relation from A to B, that is A subset of A cross B, is called a function or a mapping from A, or mapping or a map from A to B. If for each element of A there exists B belongs to B such that AB belongs to F, AB belongs to F and AC belongs to F, then AB equal to C. Thus, a non-void subset of A cross B is a function from A to B if each element of A appears in some ordered pairs in F and no two ordered pairs in F have the same first elements. Functions as a set of ordered pair. A relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is said to be a function from A to B if domain of F is A. Second, xy1 belongs to F and xy2 belongs to F, then a y1 equal to y2. That is, no two ordered pairs in F have the same first components. Now, difference. What is the difference between the relation and function and relations? So, function and relation difference. Each element of A must be related to some element of B. But in a relation, there may be some elements of A which are not related to not related to any element of B. No should of A should be related to more than one element of B. An element of A may be related to more than one element of B. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 8, 10. F equal to function of F equal to 1, 8, 1, 10, 2, 8, 3, 10. These are function from A to B. The domain of F equal to set of the first component of the element of F, so that 1, 2, 3 is the domain equal to A. But two order pairs 1, 8 and 1, 10 belonging to F have the same first component. Hence F is not a function from A to B according to the definitions. Rather, it is the relation from A to B. Now, equal functions. Two functions f and g are said to be equal if and only if domain of f equal to domain of g, codomain of f equal to codomain of g, and fx equal to gs for every x belonging to their common domain. If two functions f and g are equal, then we write f equal to g. For example, let f is such that r minus 2 tends to r be defined by fx equal to square minus 4 by x minus 2, and g such that r tends to r be defined by gx equal to x plus 2. So find whether f equal to g or not. Fx equal to square minus 4 by x minus 2, but we know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, so that x minus 2 enters plus 2 by x minus 2, then we get x plus 2 for all x is not equal to 2, and gx equal to x plus 2. Thus fx equal to gx for all x belongs to r minus 2, but fx and gx have the different domain. In fact, domain of f equal to r minus 2 and domain of g equal to r, so that f is not equal to g. So f and g are not equal functions. Again, Let f is such that r tends to r be a function given by fx equal to x square plus 1 and f inverse equal to 10, 37. So let f inverse 10 equal to x, fx equal to 10, x square plus 1 equal to 10, then x square equal to 9, so that s equal to plus minus 3. So that pre-image of 10 are minus 3 and 3. Similarly, f inverse 37 equal to x, then fs equal to 37, x square plus 1 equal to 37, then s equal to plus minus 6. So that pre-image of 37 are plus minus 6. Therefore, f inverse 10, 37, 3 minus 3, 6 minus 6. And okay, again next part we discuss of another classes. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.